Yo, what's up? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? You already know who it is. Your boy AcesBlackstar in the building. Right now, I'm headed to go pick up my cousin, but this video is all about my alright? The first check that I received from YouTube. So let me give you a little context and a little background. First of all, I'm not really taking YouTube as serious as I could be because I have other things that I'm doing and other things that I'm working on. However, I did shoot a video at a car show. You probably seen it. If not, this is it right here. Check it out if you want to. Parental disclaimer. But that video did a whole lot of views, and that video is the video that actually took me to the 4,000 watch hours because I was already really close to the subscriber count. So that video specifically took me to the next level. However, I've been making other videos, lifestyle videos, traveling videos from Thailand or whatever the case may be. Y'all see me and my family in Thailand, relaxing, chilling, keeping out the scene because we plan on moving there in the future, far future. But so we do a little bit of investing, Forex videos, stuff like that, showing you guys withdrawals and all of that kind of stuff. So it's kind of everywhere, but not really everywhere. You focus on personal development, self-help. I definitely want to pour into other individuals and help them become a better version of themselves in all spaces, all aspects, health, wealth, love, and happiness. And that's the kind of content that I create. I'm still trying to get a good grasp on how all of this works and how to structure it properly so that we can continue to help people and most importantly run it up. But I'm super excited because I hit my 4,000 watch hours. I have over 1,000 subscribers, and I received my first check October 21st, which was yesterday. And I'm gonna jump into the computer and I actually show you my results and how much I made. So with that being said, I'll see you at the computer. Let's go. But before I do that, I definitely want to thank everybody for tuning in, subscribing to the channel, and leave some comments below based on the content that I've created already. If you've subscribed to me or if you just came across this video, drop a comment below and let me know what you guys are interested in seeing. Do more lifestyle travel videos? Should I do more Forex videos? Making money, managing money? What kind of content do you guys want to see? Because it's really for you. You want to help as many people as possible, share my perspective with the world, because I feel like I got a pretty good perspective on life and on the things that I went through. I can just voice those things. So with that being said, you do pretty well for myself. I've generated over $500,000 being a special ed student.
Somebody say, hey, what's your alarm clock? My passion. My dreams wake me up. I don't need no alarm clock.
Now, how does it feel to achieve such success?
I've never really viewed myself as particularly talented. I view myself as, slightly above average in talent. And where I excel is ridiculous, sickening work ethic.
Yo, it's your boy Young Cash. Give a shout out to AcesBlackstar. You already know what it is. CEO, boss man, AC Music. We out here.
In middle school, high school, flunking twice, no real father in the life, and learn from everybody around me of what not to do, and that's what kind of me what to do. So I didn't grow up with a silver spoon. I didn't grow up with putting me in the right position to win. I just had a bunch of examples around me of what not to do, where not to go, what path not to take, and joining network marketing, that pretty much changed my entire life and my perspective on things. That's when I started to jump into personal development and really start to pour into myself and become a better version of myself before I could actually pour into other people. So that's what this channel is all about. Me taking all of that knowledge from the last 11, 12, 13 years of being an entrepreneur, being in the self-help space, working on myself, and really being able to generate the type of income that I've been able to generate, retire myself, retire my wife, and just do what we want to do. Still work for ourselves, but we don't have to clock in and clock out at a regular traditional 9 to 5 because just generated enough money to have options. You wouldn't say that it's great to retire. Still stay busy, still stay productive, still do stuff that you're passionate about, because once you retire, to me, mentally, you're dead. So you still want to stay active. As much as people really want to not work a regular 9-to-5 job anymore, I can honestly say that that's probably not the best idea, just because if you're not doing anything, you're pretty much dying. So with that being said, I know you guys want to see the check, so let me show you what we got paid from YouTube. All right, let's jump into it. As you can see, here is my YouTube page, 100% transparent. Like I said, we just getting started with this thing, and I just want to show y'all my first check. So let me see if we can go ahead and find this information. YouTube Studios. If y'all haven't checked out the recent videos, definitely check it out. But here we go. Drum roll, please. Earnings. All right, where does this show it at? I don't even know where to find it at. That's how you know brand new at this. Shopping, brands, connect, payment threshold, payment holds. AcesBlackstar, maybe? Yeah, here you go. A whopping $102.49. Now again, I haven't been super consistent with any topics, any uploading, anything really. I just had one video that pretty much went viral. I do have a decent amount of videos because I've had YouTube for a long time. I just never really used it to upload videos. But you can see I got some content on here, and we're not doing that many views as of yet. We got 1,700 subscribers, 429 videos total, and you know what? This is it. So if you haven't checked out any videos, definitely check out, see what we got going on. We got 1705 right now, 15 subscribers last 28 days, 51 watch hours in the last 28 days, $6.38 generated in the last 28 days. So in a couple numbers, I just kind of these little shorts earlier this week, and it looks like the shorts is kind of off. It's got a little traction right here. While I left Ventura, we need to do a 200K video, me withdrawing 200K with this new broker that I'm with. But other than that, this is what we're looking like. So far, so good. Like I said, I'm just getting started. I think I need to go ahead and take it more serious and turn it up on the content side. But I want to make sure that I'm bringing value. That's the most important part. I want to make sure that I'm bringing value. I don't want to just be creating to create videos, because obviously $100, not enough money to live a lifestyle. Now if it was 100K, that's different. But you got other things that I do to make money, not really tripping on that. Really, I want to create the content and the value, because I know once I do that, the money will come automatically, because you guys are seeing value, which means that you'll watch, you'll subscribe, you'll refer, you'll share with other people, because you're actually getting value from the content. The money is just going to be a direct reflection of how much value I'm bringing. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like I said, if you have any kind of content requests, anything that you want to see, you can do personal development, about Forex profits and how you can make money with Forex, even as a beginner trader, just plugging into our PAM system and on the side while you're going. But it's a bunch of different things that I've talked about on this channel. Just check out the channel, see what you're interested in, drop a comment below of things that you want me to talk more about, and let's figure out how I can bring value to you. So with that being said, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Boss for what? Let's get it.
Check it for an AC, decent hand on the shoulder. Blackstar, make a real, don't wanna hear shoulder. So if you with it, AC, baby, go and do the most. Bring that over here, go and bend it over. Check it for an AC, decent hand.